The first and greatest victory is to conquer yourself. Wise men speak because they have something to say, fools because they have to say something. Ignorance, the root and stem of all evil. The heaviest penalty for declining to rule is to be ruled by someone inferior to yourself. Courage is knowing what not to fear. At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. One of the penalties for refusing to participate in politics is that you end up being governed by your inferiors. Justice means minding your own business and not meddling with other men's concerns. The measure of a man is what he does with power. The greatest wealth is to live content with little. No one is a friend to his friend who does not love in return. Opinion is the medium between knowledge and ignorance. A good decision is based on knowledge and not on numbers. The price of apathy towards public affairs is to be ruled by evil men. The just man is the happiest man. The most important part of education is proper training in the nursery. The direction in which education starts a man will determine his future life. The punishment which the wise suffer who refuse to take part in the government is to live under the government of worse men. Astronomy compels the soul to look upwards and leads us from this world to another. No evil can happen to a good man, neither in life nor after death. The soul takes nothing with her to the next world but her education and her culture. Knowledge which is acquired under compulsion obtains no hold on the mind. The community which has neither poverty nor riches will always have the noblest principles. He who commits injustice is ever made more wretched than he who suffers it.